So first of all, atong gi-congratulate tanan ng barangay, municipality, city, and even the whole province kay kita man ang pinakataas na contribution sa voluntary blood donation sa tibuok sa Region 10, no? So that's a big achievement for the province, and it shows na we are always cooperating sa tanan na programa when it comes to the health initiative of the country. Hopefully, no, in the coming years, mas daghan pang mga donation na atong ma-provide, no? Kay kasagara, most of them naman are consumed by the province. We know kung gaano ka-importante ang blood when it comes to survival sa atong mga pasyente sa mga nanghenglan ng blood, especially during surgery or emergencies, no, kinahanglan nato talaga ang blood. It really saves lives. Now, lang, no, so the governor really is very appreciative sa effort ng tanan ng katauhan sa Bukidnon, from the barangay, municipal, city, and even to the provincial level.